Ready Set Drone is the ideal introduction to everything UAV for both 4th through 8th grade students and their teachers. If you're looking to bring drones to your classroom or out-of-school time program, this is the place to start. The 12 one-hour lessons offer clear support for educators even if you've never flown a drone before. The notebooks for student inquiry along with our Dronology Junior video series make instruction a breeze. Both tools help you easily impart essential drone knowledge to students. The final piece for success are the easy-to-operate mini drones. Co-drone minis help learners take to the skies right away. Safety is a priority as students learn to work together on flight teams. They get to know the responsibilities of real pilots, mechanics, engineers, and safety officers. Together, they problem-solve and complete a variety of challenges that are centered around real-world uses for drones. During these challenges, learners apply their knowledge of drone rules, ethics, physics, and basic piloting techniques. Students love building launch pads, gates, and obstacle courses for search and rescue and racing challenges using BrickLab bricks. We've done the testing and legwork for you to be successful with your students. Download a free curriculum sample on Edventures.com to experience some of the activities for yourself, or set up a call with one of our STEM program specialists to learn more about starting your own Ready Set Drone program.